Welcome to Prashani Kaya. Today we're diving into the most advanced AI-powered graphic design tools of 2025 that are changing the game for creatives everywhere. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with Adobe Firefly 3.0, the latest iteration of Adobe's groundbreaking generative AI platform. We're about to dive into a world where your imagination is the only limit. This is arguably the biggest leap in generative AI design this year, a true game changer for creatives of all levels. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of how we approach design. Firefly 3.0 lets you generate photorealistic images with unparalleled detail and realism, bringing your visions to life with stunning clarity. You can also create complex illustrations, pushing the boundaries of digital artwork with ease and precision. The possibilities are truly endless. And it doesn't stop there. Firefly 3.0 can even generate full branding kits, logos, color palettes, typography, all from a simple prompt, streamlining your branding process like never before. Imagine this. You type tropical beach at sunset, futuristic architecture, describing the scene you envision. And just like that, you get a stunning high-res image in seconds, a visual masterpiece brought to life by the power of AI. The speed and efficiency are simply remarkable. But it's not just images. Firefly creates editable illustrations, giving you the flexibility to refine and customize your artwork to perfection. These illustrations are fully compatible with industry-standard software like Illustrator or Photoshop, ensuring a seamless workflow. Firefly also adapts logos or color palettes to your brand instantly, maintaining brand consistency across all your design assets. This feature alone can save countless hours of manual adjustments. The integration with Adobe Creative Cloud is seamless, making it incredibly easy to incorporate Firefly into your existing design process. This means assets move easily between Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, allowing you to leverage the power of Firefly across your entire creative suite. Imagine being able to generate a full brand identity kit from just a simple description, a comprehensive package tailored to your specific needs. This includes logos, social templates, business cards, and more, all tailored to your mission and brand aesthetic, ensuring a cohesive and professional brand presence. The new photorealism mode lets you specify lighting, camera angles, and textures with incredible precision, giving you complete control over the final output. This level of control allows for incredible accuracy, ensuring that your AI-generated visuals meet the highest standards of quality and realism. For marketers and agencies, this means rapid prototyping, allowing you to quickly visualize and test different concepts before committing to a final design. You can now create polished concepts in record time, accelerating your workflow and allowing you to respond to market demands with agility and speed. What's even more impressive is that Firefly learns your style preferences over time, adapting to your unique aesthetic and design sensibilities. This means results get more personalized the more you use it, ensuring that the AI-generated visuals align perfectly with your creative vision. Collaboration is real-time, allowing teams to work together seamlessly on design projects regardless of their location. The platform also features smart version control and instant feedback, streamlining the review process and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. The suggestion engine predicts your next move, anticipating your needs and offering helpful recommendations to guide your creative process. This keeps creativity flowing, eliminating roadblocks and allowing you to focus on what matters most, bringing your ideas to life. Firefly is designed for everyone, from pro designers looking to enhance their workflow to small business owners with no design background who need to create professional quality marketing materials. The intuitive interface and AI guidance make the design process accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. This makes high-quality design accessible, empowering individuals and businesses to create stunning visuals without the need for extensive training or expensive design software. Adobe's watermarking ensures copyright compliance and traceability, protecting your intellectual property and giving you peace of mind. This means brands can use outputs commercially with confidence, knowing that their designs are protected and compliant with copyright regulations. You can iterate through dozens of concepts in minutes, exploring different design directions, and refining your ideas with unprecedented speed. This frees up time for creativity, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture and explore new possibilities without getting bogged down in tedious tasks. If you hit a creative block, Firefly's inspiration engine is there to help, providing a wealth of ideas and suggestions to spark your imagination. It suggests design directions based on current trends and your specific goals, ensuring that your designs are both visually appealing and strategically aligned with your objectives. Adobe Firefly 3.0 isn't just a tool, it's a paradigm shift in the world of design, a testament to the power of AI to unlock human creativity. It's a creative partner that empowers you to work faster, smarter, and more flexibly, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of visual communication. And this is just the beginning. The future of design is here, and it's powered by Adobe Firefly 3.0. Next up, we delve into the world of Canva AI Studio, a platform that's rapidly becoming indispensable for creatives of all stripes. It has evolved into a powerhouse, offering a suite of AI-driven tools that cater to both seasoned professionals and those just beginning their creative journey. It's truly democratizing design. Canva AI offers real-time design suggestions, acting as a virtual creative director, guiding you towards visually appealing and effective designs. It intelligently nudges you toward balance, ensuring proper alignment, suggesting harmonious color palettes, and reinforcing fundamental color theory principles as you work, making your designs more polished and professional. Upload your brand assets, including logos, fonts, and color palettes, and Canva instantly adapts any template to perfectly align with your brand's unique look and feel, ensuring consistency across all your marketing materials. This feature is perfect for creating quick, impactful, and most importantly, on-brand marketing campaigns, saving you valuable time and resources. The AI-powered video editor intelligently suggests cuts, streamlining the editing process and helping you create engaging video content. It also recommends seamless transitions, and even suggests soundtracks from its extensive library, all carefully selected to match your footage's mood and enhance the overall viewing experience. Collaboration is seamless, making teamwork a breeze, with team changes syncing in real time, ensuring everyone is always on the same page and working with the most up-to-date version. Furthermore, the AI proactively resolves design conflicts before they escalate into major problems, fostering a harmonious and efficient collaborative environment. The innovative text-to-design feature lets you simply describe what you need in plain language, and Canva's AI engine instantly builds it in seconds, providing you with a range of design options to choose from. Canva AI Studio also prioritizes accessibility, suggesting alt text for images to ensure your designs are inclusive and reach a wider audience. It even flags potential color issues that may affect colorblind viewers, helping you create designs that are visually accessible to everyone. The Integrated Learning Hub intelligently recommends tutorials based on your current projects and skill level, making it incredibly easy to continuously level up your design skills and expand your creative horizons. Whether you're building a compelling pitch deck to secure funding or crafting eye-catching materials for a product launch, Canva AI Studio empowers you to create designs both fast and well, ensuring your projects are visually stunning and effectively communicate your message. It's far more than just a design app. It's a comprehensive creative suite. It's a dynamic and adaptive design ecosystem that intelligently adapts to your specific needs and workflow, and ultimately helps everyone, regardless of their experience level, create designs at a professional level, unlocking their creative potential. Now let's move to MidJourney X, the tool that's redefining AI-generated visuals. MidJourney X delivers lifelike digital paintings, hyper-detailed illustrations, and even animation-ready concept art. The real magic? 3D rendering from simple prompts. Type retro-futuristic motorcycle with neon accents, and get a 3D model you can rotate and export. Artists can specify lighting, textures, and camera lenses for precise results. Collaborative mood boarding lets teams build and remix concept art in real time. The style transfer feature mimics famous artists or genres, letting you experiment with aesthetics instantly. For commercial projects, advanced copyright and licensing options ensure transparency and security. Export assets directly to Blender, Unity, or Adobe software for multi-platform creativity. With API access, developers can automate workflows and integrate MidJourney X into their pipelines. MidJourney X bridges the gap between idea and execution, empowering creators to visualize worlds once impossible to imagine. Let's talk about Figma AI Co-Pilot, a tool quietly revolutionizing digital design. Sketch a wireframe, snap a photo, and Co-Pilot turns it into an interactive prototype: buttons, navigation, layouts, all mapped out. The AI understands context, flags accessibility issues, and suggests UX best practices. Multiple designers can brainstorm with sketches, and Co-Pilot merges input into a cohesive prototype. It learns your team's style, applying brand elements and layouts automatically. Co-Pilot suggests alternate layouts, color schemes, and generates micro-interactions for polished prototypes. Developers get clean, export-ready code snippets for React, Swift, or Flutter. Stakeholders leave feedback, and the AI summarizes, prioritizes, and suggests solutions. Plugin integration and real-time cloud sync keep everyone on the latest version. Co-Pilot checks prototypes against accessibility standards and suggests fixes. Figma AI Co-Pilot turns ideas into reality fast, inclusive, and collaborative. Now let's shift to motion graphics with Runway ML 2.0, a tool redefining video creation. Apply AI-driven video effects, automatic rotoscoping, and deepfake correction right from your browser. The AI-powered editor changes backgrounds, relights scenes, and transforms objects in motion with a few clicks. Rotoscoping is nearly instant. Select a subject, and Runway separates it from the background frame by frame. The deepfake correction tool analyzes footage and auto-corrects artifacts for natural results. Real-time style transfer lets you apply artistic looks to video, frame by frame. Multiple users can edit the same project, with AI tracking changes and generating preview reels. Export directly to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, with auto-formatting for each. Runway auto-generates captions, transcribes dialogue, and suggests visual descriptions for accessibility. Runway ML 2.0 brings Hollywood-level video production to everyone, saving time and boosting creativity. So, where is all this heading? We've explored the current landscape and the near-term possibilities, but what about the bigger picture? What does the future truly hold for AI in design? Let's fast forward to 2030. Imagine a world where the lines between the physical and digital blur even further, where AI is not just a tool but a collaborative partner in every stage of the design process. AI will merge with AR and VR, creating immersive and interactive design experiences that were once the realm of science fiction. Designers will build and refine in immersive 3D workspaces, manipulating virtual objects and environments with unprecedented ease and precision. No mouse or keyboard needed. Intuitive gesture controls and voice commands will become the norm, allowing for a more natural and fluid creative workflow. Imagine brainstorming with your AI assistant, bouncing ideas off a virtual collaborator that understands your aesthetic preferences and can generate endless variations on a theme. Your AI assistant, which generates mood boards, pulling inspiration from vast databases of images, textures, and color palettes, tailored to your specific project needs. And it simulates your designs in real-world settings, allowing you to visualize how your creations will look and function in their intended environment before a single physical prototype is even built. Designers will test and iterate ideas in virtual studios, experimenting with different materials, layouts, and functionalities in a risk-free and cost-effective environment. Collaborating across disciplines in real time, regardless of geographical location, fostering a global network of creativity and innovation. Personalization will reach new heights, with AI algorithms analyzing individual user preferences and behaviors to create truly bespoke design solutions. AI will suggest hyper-targeted design directions, anticipating user needs and desires before they are even consciously articulated. All of this is based on user data and trends, providing designers with invaluable insights into what resonates with their target audience. AI-powered education will democratize learning, breaking down barriers to entry and empowering aspiring designers from all backgrounds. This will make top-tier design skills accessible to anyone with the passion and drive to learn, regardless of their socioeconomic status or geographical location. AI will augment human creativity, acting as a powerful extension of the designer's own imagination and capabilities. It will offer inspiration and freeing us from repetitive tasks, allowing designers to focus on the higher-level creative challenges that require uniquely human skills. The partnership between human intuition and machine intelligence will be the driving force behind this transformation. This will drive the next creative revolution, unlocking new possibilities and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in design. Ethical concerns and copyright issues will need attention as we navigate the complexities of AI-generated content and the ownership of creative ideas. But thoughtful development can ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically, promoting fairness, transparency, and accountability in the design process. AI empowers, not replaces, creators, amplifying their abilities and enabling them to achieve more than ever before. The pace of innovation is accelerating, and the future of design is being shaped right now. What's cutting edge today will be standard tomorrow. The key is to stay curious, adaptable, and open to new possibilities. Now's the time to embrace AI, to explore its potential, and to integrate it into your design workflow. By doing so, you can help shape this new creative era and unlock a future where design is more innovative, more accessible, and more impactful than ever before. There you have it, the most advanced AI-powered graphic design tools of 2025, and a glimpse into the future of creativity. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments.